KitKat, a beloved chocolate bar enjoyed by people worldwide, has a fascinating journey from cocoa beans to the iconic bars we love. We consume a ton of them every year, but have you ever thought about what's inside a KitKat and how they are really made? Let's take a trip to one of the biggest chocolate factories to see how they make over 7 million KitKat bars every single day. KitKat has been a favorite since the 1930s. It's made up of 3 layers of wafer and 2 layers of filling, all wrapped in chocolate. A perfect mix of crispy wafers in smooth milk chocolate. Back in the 1930s, chocolate became affordable for almost everyone, sparking a chocolate war among companies like Mars and Cadbury. Nestle got hold of the KitKat brand in 1988. In the UK, Nestle's factory in York is the place where over 7 million KitKat bars are made daily. Brits alone munch through 1 billion bars each year. That's around 1,900 bars every single minute. The York factory is super organized, with all the steps of making KitKat close to each other, except for where they get cocoa trees. The factory receives tons of cocoa, processes the beans, and makes the chocolate at a place called the Chocolate Factory. This factory is connected to the wafer factory, creating the crispy insides, and the assembly factory, where everything comes together and gets packaged, waiting in a big warehouse to be shipped. Let's dive into the process. It all starts with cocoa tree seeds. Cocoa beans mainly come from West Africa, harvested in March. After 7 days of sun drying, the beans head straight to York. A 3-hour process in the factory involves cleaning the beans and husking them to release the cocoa seed. Next up, the beans go into a vibrating machine, breaking the husk and exposing the chocolate-flavored pulp. After separating the husk and pulp, the beans are roasted, a secret process controlling the taste. The cocoa goes into ovens, where pressure and heat release chocolate liquor containing cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is mixed with cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and vegetable fats to make chocolate. The mixture turns into a sweet, sandy chocolate paste in a giant mixer. The perfection process begins with conching, grinding the chocolate particles for a better texture. The longer the conching, the creamier and tastier the chocolate. After conching, the liquid chocolate undergoes heating and cooling to prevent a dull layer, making it unappealing. Now we have the chocolate ready for KitKat. The focus shifts to making the wafer layers. Flour mixed with water becomes a dough, molded into large wafer sheets and baked at 150 degrees. After cooling, the wafer gets a layer of filling in between. The secret filling is made from cocoa liquor and crushed KitKats. Rejected KitKats are turned into a paste to fill other KitKats. After 16 hours of mixing, this chocolate is ready for bars. The machine fills 336 molds per minute, producing over 200,000 chocolate bars a day. The chocolate is pumped into molds to create the exterior of the KitKat. The wafers are deposited inside the mold, and a final layer of chocolate covers them. In a cool environment, the bar is separated from the molds. A quick pass through the cooling tunnel hardens the chocolate. Once the bars are produced, quality controllers remove bars with any defects such as bubbles or cracks. They crush them and mix them with chocolate to create the filling. Packaging is done by automated robots, swiftly wrapping the bars with a decorative wrapper. Then, the bars are ready to be enjoyed. A whopping 7 million bars are made daily. After packaging, the KitKats go to a storage building for shipment to supermarkets. The fully packaged bars wait in an on-site facility for orders. With each order, the bars are moved to the loading area and dispatched to supermarkets and retailers, ready to be enjoyed by chocolate lovers worldwide. Please like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with someone who might be interested. Also, subscribe to this channel by activating the notifications to continue learning. Thanks for watching.